Hi, it's Grammy. The story I'm going to read you today is Strictly No Elephants. All right. The trouble with having a tiny elephant for a pet is that you never quite fit in. Could you imagine having an elephant for a pet? No one else has an elephant. Every day I take my elephant for a walk. He's a very thoughtful sort of walk. He doesn't like the cracks in the sidewalk much. I always go back and help him over. That's what friends do, lift each other over the cracks. Today I'm walking my tiny elephant to number 17. It's Pet Club Day, and everyone will be there. Yeah, everybody's bringing all their pets. Come along, there's a good boy. I coax him the last few feet. It'll be fine. When I look up, there's a sign on the door. Strictly no elephants. My tiny elephant leads me back to the sidewalk, never minding the cracks. That's what friends do. Brave the scary things for you. Oh, they wouldn't let him in. Look at them walking through the rain. Did you try to go to the pet club meeting too? The girl asked. Yes, I say, but they don't allow elephants. The sign didn't mention skunks, the girl said, but they don't want us to play with them either. They don't know any better, I tell her. He doesn't stink, the girl adds. No, he doesn't, I agree. What if we start our own club? Come along, I say, making certain that my tiny elephant follows me, because that's what friends do. Never leave anyone behind. Look, they found a bunch of people with exotic pets. We can play here, one of our new friends says. All of us. So we paint our own sign. All are welcome. My tiny elephant will give you directions if you need them. They want everyone to come. Because that's what friends do. Isn't that true? What kind of pet would you have if you could choose one? I like my dog, Jasper. He's my favorite right now. But I think I might want a koala bear. Those would be a lot of fun too. All right, have a great day. Grammy loves you bunches. Bye.